Delhi University postpones final year examinations by 2 weeks. Andhra Pradesh intermediate exams postponed indefinitely. Government may delay NEET and incentivize medical students for joining COVID-19 duty. Calicut University begins online application process for UG and PG entrance exams. CBSE Class 10 results to release on June 20th based on new marking scheme. Canada government to suspend entry of international students to Ontario province to curb COVID spread. Tripura postpones Class 10 and 12 exams due to surge COVID cases. UP schools and coaching institutes to remain closed till May 10th. West Bengal board cancels Class 11 exams, higher secondary exams to held as per schedule. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Delhi University administration has decided to postpone examinations for its final year students by 2 weeks in light of the current COVID situation. Dean Examinations Devan Rawat said that the decision was taken following a meeting attended by all deans and chaired by the acting Vice Chancellor. He also stated that the most immediate factor for the postponement was the large number of COVID cases among the university's examination branch. The exams were scheduled to take place in May-June. There are 16 positive cases in the exam branch itself, and we lost 2 of them on Sunday morning. Because of this, the exam branch is closed for 3 days. Since exams depend on faculty members and students, these 2 weeks will give some time to the situation to stabilize, said Rawat. Before this, the Delhi University's Teachers Association had written to Acting Vice Chancellor P.C. Joshi requesting the postponement of the examination. The Andhra Pradesh government on Sunday indefinitely postponed intermediate examinations that were scheduled to be held from May 5th. The decision was taken after the Andhra Pradesh High Court directed the state government to reconsider its decision to hold exams from May 5th in a public interest litigation by several people, including Telugu Desam party leaders, that nearly 17 lakh students would be exposed to COVID-19 virus if they came to exam centers to write the exams. Education Minister Adipulappu Suresh said the new dates for conducting inter-examinations will be announced as soon as the pandemic eases, he said. The minister said the intermediate examinations were very important for the future of the students, as these certificates are quite essential in future, and that the state would conduct the board exams when it's safe. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday reviewed various measures to increase human resources for effective management of the COVID-19 situation, and possible steps discussed include incentivizing students and pass-outs of medical and nursing courses to join the pandemic duty. The final details are likely to be announced on Monday. Decisions may include delaying NEET and incentivizing MBBS pass-outs studying for it to join the COVID-19 duty. The decisions may also include utilizing services of final year MBBS and nursing students, said a government source, also adding the medical personnel during the COVID-19 duty may be given preference in the government recruitment and financial incentives as well. The Calicut University, Kerala will be admitting undergraduate and postgraduate admissions 2021 on the basis of entrance tests and other criteria. The university has issued individual prospectuses for CU admission 2021 on its official website. The eligible and interested candidates can apply online for admission as per the schedule indicated in the prospectus. The last date to apply for admissions is May 10, 2021. The Calicut University admission forms 2021 have already been released online at its official website. The list of various courses offered by the university is mentioned on the official website. Candidates may note that admission to most UG programs such as BHM and BCom honors will be done on the basis of marks secured in the entrance test. Similarly, for PG programs such as MA, MSc, and MCom, admission will be done on the basis of marks secured in the entrance test. The university will release Calicut University Admit Card 2021 for candidates who apply online to appear for the entrance exam for admission in 2021. It has been intimated through the official prospectus that the admit card will release tentatively around 3 days before the exam date. After the cancellation of the Class 10 board exams this year due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Central Board of Secondary Education on Saturday announced a special marking scheme for Class 10 students in its affiliated schools. The results to be announced on June 20th will be tabulated based on the performance of students in unit tests, the half-yearly examination and the pre-board examination conducted by schools, the board announced Saturday. While the unit test will account for 10 marks, the midterm examinations will be accorded 30 marks and the pre-board examination will be for 40 marks, adding up to a total of 80 marks. The remaining 20 marks as per CBSE's existing policy will be for internal assessments carried out by the schools. The board said the three categories of unit test, midterm exam and pre-board exams are common to most CBSE affiliated schools and hence have been used to define the special marking scheme. Canada is all set to ban entry of international students including from India to Ontario, the worst hit province which is battling the third wave of the coronavirus. According to Canadian Bureau of International Education, an education service provider based in Ottawa, there were 530,540 international students in Canada in 2020, of which the maximum were from India, which is 34%, followed by China, 22%. Ontario has the maximum number of foreign students at 242,825 or 46%, it said. During a press conference on Friday, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said that the government is considering halting the arrival of international students in Ontario following a request from the province's Premier Doug Ford to combat the spread of the coronavirus pandemic. Because currently Ontario is the only province to request it, we are happy to work more closely with them, he said. Trudeau said they will be reaching out to their officials to formalize the request. However, there is no clarity as yet on when the change will take effect or how long it will last. After cancelling school, college and university examinations following return of COVID-19 pandemic, the matriculation and senior secondary exams of Tripura Board of Secondary Education were Saturday postponed till further notice. TBSE President Dr. Babatosh Saha said that the decision was taken on during meeting of the TBSE Examination Committee. With rising COVID-19 situation throughout the country including our state and taking the safety of students into account, we have decided to postpone Class 12 and 10 board examinations that were scheduled to begin from May 18th and 19th. Dr. Saha said, adding the examination committee proposed to hold the examinations with 2 weeks notice when the situation is conducive. A total of 26,610 candidates for Class 10 and total of 27,205 candidates for Class 12 board examinations have been enrolled. The Uttar Pradesh government Friday decided to shut down all schools in the state including government and private due to the spike in COVID-19 cases in the state. The schools for class 1 to 12 will remain closed in the state till May 10th. Moreover, the coaching institutes will also remain closed and the online classes have been postponed till further notice. The decision to shut down schools and coaching institutes came after announcing a lockdown from April 30th at 8 p.m. onwards to 7 a.m. on May 4th to stem the unprecedented surge in the cases of COVID-19. The West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education on Friday announced that the annual examination of Class 11 will be cancelled due to an unprecedented situation across the country. All students of Class 11 will be promoted to Class 12 without exams. However, higher secondary examinations, which is Class 12, 2021 will be held as per the schedule and in their home centers, that is same school from 12 noon to 3:15 p.m. instead of 10 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. The council released a circular stating that the decision has been taken in view of the COVID-19 situation. The official statement by the council read, Because of the current pandemic situation and other reasons, the council has decided to cancel the annual examination of class 11th. The head of the institution is being requested to promote all candidates of class 11 to class 12. The topics of the reduced syllabus of class 12, which are related to the higher secondary examinations, should be completed within the first quarter of the class 12. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website theENN.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.